One doesn't necessarily expect the deepest inspiration in the standard category. Utility, sure. Flexibility, definitely. Comfort, without doubt. And the Aprilia Tuono V4 RR has a surprisingly strong expression of those qualities, but it is also one of the most inspiring all-around motorcycles ever to burn high octane. Start with the brilliant engine that makes sound and power to rank it among the best of all time. Add in a supernatural chassis and great electronics, and no matter how you ride you will find two-wheeled joy. Every moment riding the Aprilia Tuono V4 RR is a peak moment. It's the not standard.